Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that has been making waves in the culinary world, the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS, a 6-quart air fryer that comes packed with 5 versatile cooking functions. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS? This air fryer is designed to revolutionize the way you cook your favorite meals, offering not just air frying capabilities but also roasting, baking, broiling, and even keeping your dishes warm. With a spacious 6-quart basket, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain. It can comfortably hold a 4-pound chicken, 2 pounds of fries, or up to 3 pounds of wings, making it a great option for your next gathering or family dinner. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make this air fryer stand out. First off, it has 5 dedicated cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm. This means you can effortlessly switch between cooking methods depending on what you're craving. Whether you want crispy French fries or a perfectly roasted chicken, this appliance has you covered. Speaking of French fries, one of the highlights of the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS is its 5 air fry presets. These presets are designed for the most popular items you might want to cook, including French fries, wings, vegetables, frozen snacks, and leftovers. With just a touch of a button, you can achieve perfectly cooked meals without the guesswork. In terms of performance, this air fryer packs a punch with 1,800 watts of power and adjustable temperature settings that go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat allows for faster cooking times and better crisping, ensuring that your food comes out deliciously golden and crunchy. Plus, the automatic warming mode kicks in after cooking is done, so you don't have to worry about your meal getting cold while you set the table. The Cuisinart AIR-200NAS also features precise controls, including a toss reminder and a touchscreen digital display. The toss reminder lets you know when it's time to flip your food for that perfect crispiness. The large viewing window is another handy feature, allowing you to monitor your food's progress without having to open the basket repeatedly. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking for quick meals, a health-conscious individual wanting to enjoy fried foods with less oil, or someone who loves kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier, this air fryer is definitely for you. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or whipping up a last-minute dinner, the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS can meet your needs. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine cooking a whole chicken for Sunday dinner, followed by crispy roasted vegetables, and finishing off with a delicious cake, all from this one appliance. Or consider using the frozen snack preset on movie night to make popcorn shrimp or chicken wings without the hassle of traditional frying. You can even keep leftovers warm without overcooking them, making it perfect for busy weeknights. In conclusion, the Cuisinart AIR-200NAS is a versatile and powerful air fryer that can transform your cooking experience. With its multiple functions, user-friendly controls, and generous